Hello, loves! This is your Tita Lacachera, La Miss Roan. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and watch all my previous vlogs. Thank you! Today's tutorial is on how to load your RFID using GCASH. What is RFID? It is a wireless system comprised of two components, tags and readers. The reader is a device that has one or more antennas that emit radio waves and receive signals back from the RFID tag. We have two different RFIDs used in Luzon Expressway, which are Auto Sweep and Easy Trip. In order to avail this, go to registration and installation site near you. So, here is the step-by-step process of reloading using your GCash account. Make sure to log in on your account and go to Pay Bills. Then click the icon for transportation. Choose the RFID you want to reload and fill out the form. Input your RFID account number and the amount you wish to load. If all information are correct, click Confirm. Please take note of the convenience fee that will be charged per transaction. And that's how easy it is to load your RFID using GCash. Have a safe trip! Thank you for watching, loves! Please subscribe!